In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord server link invalid or expired issue on Android. If you or your friends tap a Discord invite and see that it's invalid or expired, it usually means the link timed out, ran out of uses, or was changed by a server admin. The fastest fix is to generate a fresh invite from your Android device with settings that won't expire too soon. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet. If you're the person who originally sent the invite, go straight to the server where you created that link. You'll need permission to create invites on that server. If you don't see the invite options, you may not have the right role, so reach out to a moderator or admin. Once you're on the server, open the server options and tap Invite to Server. Depending on your app version, this might be labeled Invite People, but it's the same place where Discord lets you create or share a server invite. Before sending anything, tap Edit Invite Link. This is important because the default invite often expires after a short time. In the edit screen, tap Expire After. Choose Never if you want a permanent link that won't time out, or pick a duration that matches your needs, like 30 minutes, a few hours, or a day. If you see settings for the number of uses, set it to no limit for a public long-term link, or keep it limited if you want tighter control. Permanent links are convenient, but remember that wider access can attract unwanted users, so use moderation tools like verification levels and rule screening when appropriate. With your settings in place, confirm and tap Generate a New Link. Discord will create a fresh invite based on your choices. You'll see the new link on screen, ready to copy. Share that new link with your friends or community and ask them to try joining again. If the old link was embedded somewhere, like in a bio or description, update it there as well. If you still get errors, double check that you're editing and generating the link from the correct server, confirm you have invite permissions, and make sure your Discord app is up to date. And if you weren't the person who sent the original invite, simply ask the sender or a server admin to follow these exact steps on their Android device. That's it. Your new invite should work without the invalid or expired message.